Smoothie Sunday recipe is a strawberry shortcake smoothie. So what you'll need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way vanilla protein powder. You're going to need 1 cup of strawberries. I'm using frozen strawberries. You can use fresh as well. I'm going to be using 1 biscuit, so it's 1 shortbread biscuit. These are the sugar-free ones. I've got 1 cup here of coconut milk, and I'll be using some ice cubes. So what I'm going to do is add it all into my blender and blend it until it's nice and smooth and creamy.